The 2018 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. Climate Group 3 includes air conditioning with 3-zone temp controls, aluminum wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.